Cheryl here from ENJO. So cleaning your greasy cooker hood does not need to be a chore. With your kitchen duoglove and some water, you're going to see and hear the glove just gripping and pulling all that grease and all that muck straight from that cooker hood. See the girls here at the demo really seeing that ENJO wow with no effort at all trapped in that glove. Just deep pour cleaning that hood and leaving it streak and smear free.
And you can feel here down here it's getting smoother as it's just picking up all of that grease and just breaking through all of that, and you can see the difference, and it's all just trapped in the fibre there. And then just grab your enjofil when you're finished to dry, and it'll just leave it total streak free finish.